Samuel Eto'o, but only if Inter can get through Bayern. If not, Lionel Messi.
Top goal scorer is always difficult. You have to pick a team that's going to go a long way, and because of that, I look at Barcelona and I look no further than Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi for the third time, for the third straight time, because he's just the best scorer, and I think Barcelona will play a large amount of games in Champions League.
Should be Messi really, because first, as I think he will come to the final and win, he will play more games than any other player, and I think Barcelona is very good team for Messi, because they have all the ball and Messi is moving around the area. I think Messi is going to be the top scorer.
Well, Lionel Messi is definitely up there, but I think the odds on him are too low. Maybe Zlatan Ibrahimovic of AC Milan or Samuel Eto'o of Inter Milan would be a better and safer bet.